Hello my loves, I am Malika. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing really well. So today, as I had mentioned earlier on my Instagram stories, that I will be doing a series of five most affordable things. Now for today's video, this is very much inspired by Shreya Jain, and I must mention that before starting off with this video, that I will be talking about five most affordable eye makeup. Now since it's corona time, we all are wearing masks, so the main focus is on our eyes as always, and I pretty much love eye makeup. Like, I can skip my lipstick but not my eye makeup. I cannot go out without mascara. It's one of my most essential product in my makeup bag. Now I won't blabber much, but without any more further ado, let's just get into the video. So the first product was this eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty. To be very honest, this was one of my first eyeshadow palette which I had bought with my own money, and I particularly love this eyeshadow palette, you guys. It's so affordable, like at just rupees 200 you are getting a top notch quality eyeshadow palette, and I have swatched few shades for you all to see. Like, it's so buttery, so intensely pigmented, and even the shimmery shades are quite well pigmented. I love all the shades from this palette. It's in the shade 02, sorry, it's in the number 02. As you can see, it's a very beautiful, very buttery and a creamy eyeshadow palette. You don't need to work a lot with it. It is easily blendable. Like, if you prime your lids well, it's easily blendable. And I know, like, we don't get the time to, like, I know it pretty well that each and every time we don't really prime our lids. But if you are using this eyeshadow palette, then I can assure you of something, that you do not need to prime your lids every time. This itself is so intensely pigmented. If you just apply it with your fingers, it gives you a quite decent amount of pigmentation. I pretty much love this eyeshadow palette. So if you are a beginner and you want to invest in one good quality eyeshadow palette, do keep this in mind. And let's move on to the product number 2. Now I have this Maybelline brow pencil with me. It's their Fashion Brow Cream Pencil. It's again an amazing product and another first purchase of mine. I love this product. It is black. My brows are actually intensely black. I cannot use anything else, otherwise it will look very odd. So I had to purchase this one. I just swatched this shade for you all. It's a very nice and a creamy brow pencil. You can just sharpen it and use it. It's like you can carry it even while traveling in your makeup kit. It's very affordable, very beginner friendly. Again, a must have product on your makeup kit. So now let's move on to product number 3. Product number 3 had to be my Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I seriously love this product. I cannot speak anything bad about this product. I have also mentioned this product in my beginner friendly makeup kit, and if you haven't watched that video, then please make sure to watch that video. I'll be leaving a link in my description box if you haven't watched that video yet. Now, talking about this product, it gives you volume, length, and really full lashes. What else do you want from this? It's an amazing, affordable, beginner friendly product. I really do not remember the price of this product, but I'll be leaving it down in the description box so you can check it out from there. It is obviously below 500 rupees, and you can also you can always get it at a discount in Nykaa, Purple, Amazon, so you can have a purchase from there too. And all these products I'm talking about are non-sponsored. I'm trying to be as honest as possible, you guys. I particularly love this product so much, so please do give it a try and let me know in the comments down below your views on this particular product. Now the fourth product has to be eyeliners. I mean, how can eyeliners not be included in a eye makeup tutorial? I just love these eyeliners, and they are from Lakme. We all know about this good old Lakme black liner, but even this golden eyeliner is quite beautiful. I'll just swatch it for you guys. It's a beautiful, intensely pigmented eyeliner. I don't know how much the camera is able to catch it, but it's a really beautiful eyeliner. Like, it's intensely pigmented, and I particularly love this eyeliner. You can wear it over your black liners to give it more definition and make it look wow boom. It's like so beautiful, and I can't enhance enough on saying how beautiful this Lakme golden liner is. If you haven't tried, you're missing out on something. And this black liner, what to like swatch, like it's a matte black liner, and I particularly love this liner. I have been using this from my school days. So the fifth product is nothing other than my Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. I love this product. It's the best. Like, even if you're not using any eyeshadow, any powdered eyeshadow, trust me on this, guys. If you just have this product, you're good to go. You're just good to rock the party. It's so beautiful, and the pigmentation is outstanding. I'll just tell you the number of this, even though nothing is mentioned, but it's in the shade Champagne. I don't know the number because nothing is mentioned here. I'll just swatch this beautiful liquid liner for you guys. Okay, this is the pigmentation. It is so beautiful, like so gorgeous. If you just and you can apply it with your fingers too. I think it applies better with your fingers rather than applying it with a brush. It's a beautiful liquid eyeshadow. I cannot emphasize on this anymore, and the price of this is something 199, something around 199, but you can always get this at a discount. Now, even though I was thinking of including just 5 most affordable beginner friendly eye makeup for this video, but you know what, Kajal, like I had to speak of Kajal. Even though I am not a very big Kajal fan, I don't use Kajal on a daily basis, but still I know many of my girls out there love using Kajals, so I thought why not just include one more and make it 6 affordable like makeup products, eye makeup products. So I had to speak of my most favorite Kajal. I'll be speaking of 3 Kajal. One is a colored Kajal, another one is a black Kajal which you can use on your daily basis, and then another one is a nude or a white Kajal. So all of these 3 Kajals are my favorite. I'll be swatching these Kajals for you. This one is from Nykaa, Rock the Line Kajal. I love this Kajal. It's very nicely pigmented, and like you can see, it's a one swipe, and then it doesn't like smudge. We'll do a smudge test. Like, doesn't smudge a lot, basically what I mean to say. And the next one has to be the Color Icon Kajals from the Wet n Wild range. I pretty much love this range. Like, the price of this Kajal is 135. It's so affordable, yet such a good quality Kajal. You can always use it on your waterline and make your eyes look awaken up. Again, one of my most favorite product. So this is the one swipe pigmentation. Can you just see how creamy, buttery this Kajal is? You need to use it in real, otherwise you won't understand what I'm speaking of. This Kajal is one of the best Kajal and the most affordable one too. And the third one is from Lakme Iconic. This is a turquoise, a very beautiful turquoise shade. Just let me swatch it for you guys. It's a very beautiful turquoise shade. I love this Kajal, you know. Now here I come to the end of this video. I hope you all loved watching this video, and if yes, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel as well as press on the bell icon. That would mean the absolute freaking world to me. I hope you all are doing really well and hope to meet you all super soon as our series is being continued. And yeah, if you all are not following me on Instagram, then do follow me on Instagram. I'll be leaving my handle here, and because I post content quite regularly there, so do follow me there too. And bye bye. I love you all so much.